Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix this insect killer UV ultraviolet insect killer. They're totally dead. Okay, first step, we need to check the ultraviolet neon if it's still working or not, and we need to open this case from behind. Okay, now I want to check the tube with my multi-tester. First, we set the multi-tester to ohm meter, because inside there is a coil. If this showing reading from the ohm meter, then it's still good. Let's check the other side. See, there is no connection between these two coils inside. It explains that this side is broken. My tester showing OL, meaning open lines, there is no connection. The broken lamp coil may happen when it is too hot inside or so many working hours from this lamp. I will suggest to using this lamp no longer than maybe 12 hours or maybe less. It depends on your quality of your lamp. This is a BL T5 6-watt lamp. I already buy a new tube here, and let's check the reading of the new tube. Okay, there are a reading. It means this tube is okay. Let's check the other side. It's good. Okay, after we check, we replace the damaged lamp with the new one, and let's see if it's working. Okay, let's put the new one. Okay, let's try to turn it on. Let's see if it's worked. Okay, I think it is working now. It's working after I replacing these two tubes. It's a BL T5 6-watt, and I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih.